Hey everyone, you're here with me, ColinBreakstuff, and we're opening today. What is this thing? Let's take a quick look here. 2025 Pieces of the Past. This little product was provided to us by Tundra Treasures on eBay. Check them out. Most of the product you see here will be on sale there. And we're gonna break this sucker. Let's get it on, people. Got a fancy knife. Let's put on a show. Bam. So these nifty packs contain, let's see here. It says four packs per box, 4 cards, and 4 relics. 1 relic per pack. Let's get in. There we go. Ooh, we're looking for fat ones, people. Fat ones. What do we got here? I don't know. I don't see any. This one kind of feels fat and heavy. We're going to put that one aside here. And let's lay them out. Yeah. Nice box, though. Hey. Box. Box gone. Oh, I hit the camera. Yeah, let's keep going, though. Okay, we'll save the heavy one for last. Let's go with this one. By the way, last time we did a break, we got this fancy one here. And, oh, look at that. That's a 1 of 5. But that's from another series, Bellismo. You see them over here. Over here, we'll be doing breaks. We got some 10 boxes. All of it, again, provided by Tundra Treasures. Check them out on eBay. Okay, we're going for it here. Let's get it on. It's a rough. Yeah, they said this. I've heard these stories. Oh, that one. Okay, but we got it. Gonna have to figure that out a little bit. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Very nice. It's just base set. Base sets. Oh, that's pop art. Pop art. And who do we got here? Charles Goodyear. Nice and shiny. Still pretty much base set. And here's our relic. Samuel Langton. I'm gonna have to fix that a bit. Samuel Langs. Meh. Looking for numbered or written, handwritten. So we're gonna put them over there. Let's go for pack number 2. Oh, it's the same kind of evil. Oh wow. I might just get a pair of scissors for the next one. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. That's a foil, I think. Huh. Here we go. Oh, it's sticky. More base. A pop art. Antonia Joseph Sack. Not bad pop art. And our relic. Robert Goddard, number 556. Nothing numbered yet, though. It's not handwritten. Looking for those handwrittens. Let's keep trying. Base. Oh, my assistant. Thank you very much. Got a pair of scissors now. Now we're gonna do this right. Pack number 3. Thank you very much. How's everybody doing out there tonight? Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? That was much nicer. Our bases. What do we got here? Base. Albert Einstein, though. Oh, oh, whoa. That was an action shot. Albert Einstein. Nice looking card. Still base. Pop art. We got something nice down there, but pop art, we got Charles M. Pullman. Let's take a quick peek at this one. Oh, it's a nice looking article. Nice looking article. Louis Pasteur, very pretty famous scientist. Oh, we still haven't got a good one. Let's hope this heavy pack, the last one. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. Cross your fingers, everyone. Again, this is all provided by Tundra Treasures. These cards, some of them will be up there, and everything you see on the screen will be in the store. Yeah, let's see what we got here. They are base cards. Base card. Base card. Oh, I'm having a hard time with sticky. Our pop art. Eliza Howe? Eliza Howe. Not bad pop art. Oh, and our last one, it's, let's see here. William Coolidge. Standard relic. Looks like an article. Well, that box wasn't so great, but hey, you win some, you lose some. I'll show you some of our others. There we go. That's a 1 of 5 from Bellissimo. Very rare. We're gonna do a big opening soon on these guys. Might even throw an auction down for everyone. Handwritten, very nice. I like that one. That's personal favorite. We got a Cleopatra. This one is also very nice. The 1 of 5. Sorry, 1 of 15. I said that wrong. 1 of 15. These ones are definitely treasures on Tundra. Check it out. We got some future openings. I got a big box coming up. Stay tuned, everyone. Check us out. It's Colin Breaks Things on Tundra Treasures. Always click a like if you like what you're seeing. We're always looking for fans too.